Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Important MCQs on national animals of the countries for upcoming NTS, PPSC, FPSC test. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. The national animal of Angola is? The right answer is the giant sable antelope. Next question is the national animal of the United States of America is? Bison is the right answer. Question number 3 is the national animal of Afghanistan is? Snow leopard is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Albania is? Answer is golden eagle. Question number 5. Ram is the national animal of which country? Abkhazia is the right answer. Next question is which of the following is the national animal of Algeria? Fennec fox is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Australia is? Answer is red kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Next is the national animal of Armenia is? Eagle is the right answer. Next is the national animal of Austria is? The black eagle is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Argentina is? Rufus hornero is the right answer. Next is the national animal of Antigua and Barbuda is? Fallow deer is the right answer. Next is the national animal of Bahrain is? Answer is Arabian oryx. Next is the national animal of Bahamas is? The right answer is flamingo. Next is the national animal of Barbados is? Mahi Mahi is the right answer. Next question is the lion is the national animal of which country? Bulgaria is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Bhutan is? Toucan is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Botswana is? Zebra is the right answer. Next question is the national animal of Brazil is? The right answer is jaguar. Next is the national animal of Brunei is? White-bellied sea eagle is the right answer. Next is the national animal of Bangladesh is? The Royal Bengal tiger is the right answer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.